This is my new Donner Hush 1. I finally received it after waiting a very long time. And I've got to tell you, this is quite possibly the worst excuse for an instrument I've ever seen. The neck is warped severely. The string, the action is sickening. This product is incredibly sad. And I want people to see what they can expect to get for their hard-earned money from Donner. I've contacted Donner on 4 different occasions over this quality of this instrument and got absolutely no response from them of any kind. I want you to see the problem with the string height on this instrument. Do you see that gap? This is sad. This is pathetic. I can't believe anybody turns that out. I want to show you what to expect for your string height measured off to 12th fret. The light. As you can see, I'm sorry for the video not being the best, but it's completely off the chart. I'm at a 3.5 and above. Now I realize to some people this might be acceptable. I really don't know who. But I'm here to tell you, I feel like I've gotten raped. I spent good hard-earned money for this instrument with believing that I was going to receive a quality instrument, and I've got a very expensive piece of firewood. This is a piece of junk. And what really upsets me is I have contacted Donner, and they've just totally ignored me like I'm insignificant, that I don't matter. Something ought to be done about this. Thank you for listening.